Direct start to the monitoring. না আমি স্পেশালি কমিউনিকেট করি স্যার তখন
Lordship, it says recent instruction we have received, Your Lordship. This prosthetic legs, this humanoid, they have given an estimate of rupees 46 lakhs.
You have to give it.
Yes, Your Lordship, we are ready to give it, but
Price is not the consideration.
yes,
Human
exactly, Your
life is
Lordship.
the consideration.
That's true, Your Lordship. We might need some help from the Karbi Annulang, even from the APDCL, if you can help us with some funds, Your Lordship.
You are also equally responsible. Huh? Senior is fine, but have you understood what he's saying? This is because of negligence on your part. So, but will it work?
Melody, I'm told, Melody, these prosthetics, Melody, there is, these are called 3D prosthetics, Melody. There's movement in the fingers, the wrist and the elbow. It's not like it's not
Static.
Melody. So there's movement, at least he'll be able to perform his day-to-day activities, Melody.
So will it serve the purpose?
Yes, I had a word with the father, Melody. He said it should work because it was tested and it was thereafter, Melody, recommended, Melody.
So then, Mr. Nath, what is your suggestion?
Since the proposal has come, the they should proceed with that. And my part was that as regard the medical board and examination, all these things, the report has come. It's before your lordship. So now the estimate has come.
The question is if he has to be fitted with a limb which helps him live a normal life.
Correct.
Because he has lost his limb because of negligence of someone.
True.
You recover money from wherever you want. But then
that
funds cannot be a ground to deny him.
Absolutely.
That cannot be, and the court cannot make that distinction.
True.
So whatever other arrangements you think you want to make it, you make it.
Lordship.
But then this can't go on.
I think this POCOMA bill, this is of 21st of August. So let the Karbi Annulang authority and the PHE, let them come up.
You split the funds 50-50. Call him. Why is he not come? Huh? Call him. Why is he not here when the matter is here? Whatever.
For splitting of the funds, perhaps, there has to be an order because they were with regard to the funds.
Heard Mr. So-and-so and counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. D. Nath and a senior government advocate Assam appearing for the state. Mr.
R.R.
Gogoi, learned standing council PHE Assam. Mr. K.P. Pathak, learned standing council APDCL, and Miss what is her name? S. Kempai, learned standing council KAC, appearing for the autonomous council. Pursuant to the earlier orders passed by this court, the respondents have identified an advanced set of prosthetic limb, which, which can not only be fitted into the limbs, fitted so as to replace the amputated limbs of the petitioner, but the same reportedly has a high degree of efficiency and therefore can lend enough support to the petitioner to live a life which is very close to a normal life, if not completely normal. Mr. Gogoi, Learned Standing Council, PHE Department, Assam, has produced a communication dated 21/8/2024, addressed to the Chief Engineer, bracket PHE, bracket close, water, pertaining to submission of pro forma bill. Full stop. A perusal of the letter dated 21/8/2024 goes to show that the pro forma bill for procurement and fixing the prosthetic limb comes to rupees 46 lakhs 36,800. Full stop. Referring to the said figure, Mr. Gogoi submits that although the state is ready and willing to make arrangements so as to give comfort and support to the petitioner, yet since besides the PHE, the KSE authorities as well as the APDCL authorities have some responsibility in the matter. As such, an order be passed by this court to directing all the three organizations to proportionately share the cost of the limb. Full stop. Camper Holoni, J Chutia. Upor আগত দিব J Chutia. After D not J Chutia. Full stop. So, Mr. Chutia, you have to bear some cost.
Engineering department is also under the government, it is always the camp. The fund will come from the government itself.
The Learned Departmental Council to seek instruction on the above point and appraise this court on the next date fixed. In the meantime, the Public Health Engineering Department to take all necessary steps for making the prosthetic limb available to the petitioner as expeditiously as possible. Full stop. Sharing of cost, if any, shall be considered on a later date based on the response of the respective departments. Copy of the communication dated 21/8/2024 be retained in the record. You go ahead and do it. We'll see what cost.
Just one submission, my lord. Although the GMCH is not a party, my lord, they'll render necessary assistance if required, my lord. The Guwahati Medical College. my lord.
The Guwahati Medical College authorities render necessary assistance in this regard. Which is expeditiously fitting.
Deeply obliged. Very grateful.
So is it happening or is it just a eyewash?
No. Will happen.
He was representing me, I'm taking personal interest in this one.
No, we'll do it for this. What is the use of,
He's 18 years now, my lord.
if he can live a life being, independent, I think we would have done some service to the society. All of us.
Deeply obliged. Very-
All right.
Well,